Looking for a reliable tool to evaluate uncertainties in your system with real-time evaluation? Metro Data has you covered. As a renowned developer and distributor of GUM Workbench software, Metro Data never disappoints its users in offering the latest version of the software in order to bring more efficiency and accuracy in evaluation of the uncertainties of the measurements, while providing good results in return. GUM Workbench is a tool highly used and trusted by professionals worldwide. The software is fully functional with easy-to-operate features that can easily be run on your Windows. The program is a separate Windows tool that does not need to be linked with any other programs. It supports the import of pictures and information from and to Excel sheets. The calculation can be done using uncertainty propagation following GUM, or using Monte Carlo simulation following GUM S1. Want to have all the expertise for the best use of the software? Join our training and support sessions and master all the skills with our expert trainers. Contact now for a customized offer. www.metrodata.de